Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to delete Facebook page permanently. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once the app opens up, click on the three horizontal line at the upper right corner and select the page option. Now here you'll be able to find the page that you own. Click on the page and now click on switch from the pop-up to manage the settings. Once you land on your page profile, click on the profile at the upper right corner. And now click on the gear-like icon. Once you land on the settings page, click on page settings. And now scroll down and tap on access and control under Facebook page information. Now select deactivation and deletion. Now if you want to deactivate your account temporarily, then you can go ahead and select the deactivate page option. But since we're deleting the account permanently, here select delete page option and then tap on continue. With this, you'll be done. So this was the tutorial on how to delete a Facebook page permanently. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.